国际消息，咱要来看美国前总统川普15去拍山球的时阵，伫附近有人抓抢出来，互人发现了后，伊就随逃走。不过了后，还是去用抓起来。川普的竞选团队讲，川普即马人有平安，也那伊的竞选对手，也就是副总统贺锦丽，嘛谴责这暴力的行为。
包括救援车在内真侪车队经过市总路摊的街仔路。这波官员表示，伫咧前总统川普人正伫咧非洲的高尔夫球拍球时阵，特勤人员注意到一个查甫人拿一支 AK-47步枪，正靠向着高球俱乐部。特勤人员开枪，这个查甫人清淡的赛车逃走。
In the bushes where this guy was is an AK-47 style rifle with a scope, 2 backpacks which were hung on the fence that had ceramic tile in them, and a GoPro, which he was going to take pictures of. So those are being processed right now. We have somebody in custody right now.
警方表示，这个枪手被发现的时阵，离川普差不多270到460公尺左右，枪已经和警方扣留。警方讲，嫌犯知影家己被发现就赛车逃走，现场有人将车祸寄来，警方依照线索抓到人。
Immediately sealed off the area. Fortunately, we were able to locate a witness that came to us and said, "Hey, I saw the guy running out of the bushes. He jumped into a black Nissan, and I took a picture of the vehicle."
这边川普礼拜行程并无公开，伊大概拢是一早起拢拍高尔夫球，结果伫咧俱乐部食到。伫拍球时阵，球场有部分关闭，前后几栋拢有特勤人员伫咧警戒。川普定义发言人史蒂文章伫社群媒体发文，讲担心川普的人身安全。川普的竞选对手副总统贺锦丽大文谴责暴力。伫咧9礼拜之前，川普才伫咧一场竞选活动被枪击，伊也受伤。希望村的维安就被检讨，了后就对川普加强保护。公司新闻黄文玲编译。